Alright, so this is my Wonderswan Color. It is broken. I think you can see the huge crack in the screen there. I got it for about $5 on eBay. It's an extension port. It kind of looks like somebody dropped it in a river. Pins look good. Just because of these weird watermarks. Looks like liquid came out of it. And over here on the contrast, there's some kind of yellow or orange goo coming out of there. I don't know what that is, but we're going to open this thing up and find out. So the Wonderswan Color was released in Japan in 1999. It's a 5th generation video game console. Pretty handy little gadget. It's designed to be able to use it both landscape and portrait mode. So let's take it apart, see what's in it. There's a lock, and you have to push there. Oh, okay. Yeah, this thing was definitely submersed in water at some point. Not sure what we're going to find, but we're going to do it anyway. Number 8 Torx screw. Screws come out kind of nice. Pretty easily, actually. Okay, not that one. Huh. Okay. See if we can shake that loose. There we go. Things don't come loose, just hit them with a screwdriver. Not recommended for consoles that haven't been in a river somewhere in Japan. Oh yeah, when I bought this, it actually came from Japan. So, whoops. Alright. I think that's all the screws. 6 little T8 screws. And it should just come apart, hopefully. Okay, you know what? Doesn't look too bad. It actually looks okay. So that's neat. Is there anything holding the board down? Oh! Okay, no, there's not. Now the reason I bought this is not only because I totally love stuff that isn't released in North America. You know, it's not from here, it's cool. Even if it was at the bottom of the river. Now the reason I didn't care about the fact that it's been in the bottom of a river, as I was saying, the reason I don't care that it's been in the bottom of a river and that the screen is busted, that's not the plastic, that's the LCD underneath the screen, is because, actually I'll just show you. That's a Raspberry Pi Zero, and that actually fits in there pretty well. Even with the original board in there, sticks out a little bit. But yeah, with the Raspberry Pi Zero, I could throw a RetroPie on there. And look at that, I can even use the board. Some of the buttons on here I could reuse. So anyways, I could make my own little Raspberry Pi portable. So there you have it. Wonderswan Color. Single board, pretty easy to get to. 6 screws. There she is. Thanks for watching.